Alright, so me and Easton are in a truck, got the trailer on the back of it. I'm going to go get a car that I've been after for some time. I've wanted it for, I don't know, probably over a year. When did we get your car done and tuned?
It was a while ago.
I think it was about a year ago. And a good friend of ours, Josh, has the car. And look at Evil Knievel on that.
I know, I was staring at him. He was going side to side.
Yeah. Anyway, our good friend Josh has it. Bill, BT Performance, the one that tuned Easton's car. That's where this car is that we're going to go get. It's really cool. At one time, this car was very famous, and it actually held a record. That was in, I think, 2017, 2016, 18, 19? I don't know. I'll have to look and see. But this car ran 10.3 at 128 miles an hour, all motor car. But we're going to go ahead and get it. And we got to switch out some suspension. We probably won't film any of that. And then we'll probably wait till we get on the trailer and get going. But yeah, stay tuned. You're going to see a cool old car. Alright, so got the car back there. It's on the trailer. We had to switch out a bunch of suspension stuff, and the motor was just kind of sitting in there. We had to pull the motor really quick. But we got her. We're heading home. We'll probably stop because by the time we get home, we're heading north on 77 right now. When we get home, it'll be dark. So we'll probably stop at the car wash with the lighting, show you guys the car really quick. Pretty stoked. What do you think?
I like it.
Huh?
I like it.
Yeah?
Looks good.
Yeah, I'm pretty excited about it. So we'll see what we can do with the thing. Alright, so here's the latest purchase. Some of the Honda people may recognize this car. It used to be Sticker Guy tuned. It used to be Billy H2b car. It used to have an H series in it with a B series transmission. This car was one of the nation's fastest H2b car back in the day. Obviously today's cars are really, really quick, but this car back then in what year was that, Easton, that you looked it up? 2018?
Yeah, 2018, 2017.
2017, 2018, this car went 10.2 at like 128 on all motor. But we got it. It's got a carbon fiber deck lid or hatch. You know, but need to adjust that or something. See why. You know, it's probably just not a very good hatch. But the car's caged, all cut up. It's a race car only. Even took all the metal out of the roof. I bet you this thing is loud inside.
Especially with all the mountains.
But yeah, I'm pretty excited about it. I've been after this car for a while now. One of our friends had the car, and I think we're going to put my brother's Integra swap in it. That car, his Integra, just made 540 to the front wheels on 19 pounds. So this thing ought to run really, really good. We're gonna have to probably repaint the engine bay. It kind of is rough looking. Car's been sitting outside. Like to do away with the upper core support, like do a tube core support or something on it. But yeah, the car's been sitting outside for the last few years that I know of. That fender's kind of rolled in right there, ain't it? Yeah, see where it's creased. But yeah, Car had a CSS head on it at that time when it was raced back then by Billy. This car used to be red. It was a really nice car, but I haven't even really looked it over really good. But oh wow, look.
Yeah.
The seats on tracks.
Oh wow.
That slide?
Yeah.
Huh.
That's cool.
Yeah. It's got old school gauges.
He didn't have those in it.
But yeah, this car, I've been after this thing for a hot minute and I finally got it. Time to make her back to what she was. I think it'll be fun. This must be like carbon fiber wrapped. But yeah, just an old beat up race car, but it's solid. Car's really solid. So, but we'll get more of it, get some more videos of it. I'd like to figure out how to put windshield moldings back in it, make that look a little bit better. But she's gonna be fun. So, alrighty guys, thanks for watching. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and get the car cleaned up. I did the engine bay on it already. It, of course, blew a bunch of the gray paint off. I'm not sure what I'm going to do about it yet. I might just leave it alone because I don't think it was sanded and that's why it's not sticking very good, but who knows. But I'm going to go ahead and start getting it washed up, and then I'm going to buff it out and see how it turns out. So we'll go ahead and get started with that now. Alright, so I got it washed really quick. Didn't spend a whole lot of time on it because I'm going to go ahead and buff the car. So I'd have to rewash it anyway, and at that point I'll do the door jambs and everything on it. I don't know if the car's been wet sanded, but if I had to guess, I'm going to say it's probably single stage paint maybe. I know when I was drying it, I felt some dirt in the roof and stuff. I don't know how far in depth I'm going to get. I'll probably just buff it and call it good. I'm going to buff the windows. You probably can't tell, but the windows are very cloudy on it. So I'm going to go ahead and buff them out. I just buffed out my friend's windows on his Nova drag car, and they turned out really good. They look really, really good. They were pretty cloudy. So I'm going to try buffing them out, buff the car out, then I'll rewash it, and we'll see what it looks like. Hopefully it looks pretty good. I think it will clean up really good. It's got chips and stuff in it. So we'll see what happens though. All right, so good news, the car's not single stage. The pad's not turning blue like it did on Dad's Charger. So the paint's actually basically a clear coat, and it's looking pretty good. It's cleaning up really good. I might have to put a new piece of Lux sand in the windshield. I didn't realize it, but I can't tell if it's, no, it's just a scratch. I'll have to do the inside too. Probably have to put another brace here. It's got one there, but the windshield is warped. And then do something about the door windows too. They're pretty flimsy. But I mean, the car's gutted, so. But yeah, it's cleaning up pretty good. Buffing out really nice, actually. So, we'll continue. All right, guys, so that part of the video, you've seen me compound it and then went ahead and polished it. The window turned out pretty good. I mean, it's scratched, but before it was really cloudy and really hazy. It looks pretty decent. The paint is just turning out very good. Pretty happy with how the paint's turning out. So, I'll probably tint this window. I want to redo the back windows. They're horrible. Or I'd like to just put brand new windows in it, but that's expensive. So we're just going to roll with those windows for a while. I mean, they're all right. You can see through them now. They were pretty cloudy. Show you this side. The front windshield is really cloudy. I'm gonna have to buff the inside of it. And actually what I might do is a lot of these pop rivets are coming out. So I might drill them out, pull the front piece and lay it down and buff both sides of it and then drill new holes and put it back in, because there's a lot of places that aren't staying up or tight anymore. So we'll see. Anyway, it's starting to look like something. I'm gonna go ahead and finish it, and then I'll show you guys the completed project. All right, so I got the windshield done. I mean, as good as it's gonna get. You can actually see through it pretty good now. I actually ended up drilling out all the pop rivets. Some of them were already ripped out. There's only a few holding them in. The windshield isn't kind of in bad shape. Probably buy a new one when I get some extra money. Probably hang this one up, just to keep it. But yeah, the windshield looks a lot better now. I mean, you can see through it pretty good. This window, it's dirty, but you can see through it now. Car buffed out really good. What was that? Oh, okay. I like to put a tube upper core support in it too. I buffed the outside of the driver's window. I've not done the inside yet. Buffed the outside of this one, and then I buffed the outside of the back window, which they're all polished and everything else, they're all done. So buffed out the hatch. Hatch turned out really good. Yeah. It's getting there already. You find a front bumper and a hood. I'm not sure how we're going to do the exhaust yet. I don't know if we're going to do an up pipe or what the plan is. Jordan's been busy, so. I was going to tint the windshield, but all I have is 5% tint, and I don't want to do 5% on it because then I won't be able to see anything. And had 5% on the green OBS drag truck, and it was hard seeing, especially at night. This thing don't even have headlights. The truck had headlights, so. But I painted the subframe on it really quick. Did it. Painted the battery box. Painted the traction bar setup and the plate. So, I don't know, we'll see. Got to figure out what I'm going to do next. I'd like to put the belt moldings back on here. I'd like to put this piece back on. I'd like to change this. So this is how you open the door. These zip ties. I'd like to run a rod from here over to here and maybe somehow bend a 90 in it and put it down in this channel and do a pop rivet on it and then take it up to here and screw it up to here and then have some kind of handle here to pull the rod. I really don't care for the zip ties. I mean, they work. They worked all this time, you know. But still got to clean it out inside. Took the seat cover off. I got it cleaned up. Actually had a thing left over from my Fox body in my drawer to hang the steering wheel on. So I threw it in here. Probably pull the dash out next, actually. Pull the dash out, clean the interior up. Well, not the interior, but the inside of the car up. It's pretty nasty from sitting outside. There's a bunch of water back in the spare tire well. So, yep, anyway. That's where we are today. Got a little bit done. Just glad that I can see through the front windshield now. Like it was pretty bad. Just cloudy and you really couldn't see a whole lot through it. So getting it looking like how it does now definitely makes me feel better. And these are all LED lights, so LED lights show a lot of scratches and everything else, so it probably looks pretty decent outside. I thought about ceramic coating the inside and outside of the windshield. I don't know what that'll do, though. I don't know if it'll help or what, but I thought about doing that. I gotta get more pop rivets. I'm gonna do more than what was in it, I think. Try centering up the windshield. Who knows? Might just reuse the holes that are in already in it, to be honest with you. But anyway, thanks for watching, guys. We'll have more to come.